I don't know about you, but I am extremely picky when it comes to my pillows. Every pillow is made different, but this here is a standard size pillow. But this is what the pillow looks like when it comes in the bag, as they most do. So you're gonna have to pull it out. Let's take this out. And so this has something called FlexCool technology right out of the little bag there. It does feel really cold to the touch. So I guess, I don't know, there's something about that. This is nylon, and it's got something called Climatech as well. So you want to get that out and just kind of let it expand and do its thing. Now, I do not like soft pillows. The hotel pillows drive me nuts. The down feather pillows at the hotel, because I just sink all the way to the bottom. It's not good. Okay, I do not get a good night's sleep. But you can see they give you a whole bag of extra fill, okay? It does have a little bit of a smell to it, and with most of these pillows, when you get them, you do want to kind of let them off gas, so to speak. So lay them out for a day or two, just let them kind of just decompress, let them get the gas out of there. I feel like my head's in a neutral position. I don't feel like I'm sinking down to the bed. Okay, so I do feel like I'm supported. I would like it to be a little bit more up. So I'll tell you what we're gonna do. Let's go ahead and add some of this fill in here. If we undo the zipper, inside here is another thinner case. And then you have to undo this. This is the pocket that they give you. So if you're gonna put more fill in here, you gotta go through here. It is a little bit messy, but we'll get it. Okay, now once you get that fill in there, we're gonna spread it around. All right, look at how much bigger profile we have now with that extra fill in there. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Okay, so if you're like me and you like to be slightly elevated, the extra bag of fill, definitely put it in here. It's like a totally different pillow. The one before was nice without the fill in it, but I don't like a flat, I don't like to lay like totally flat. I like to have a little bit of elevation. That's just how I sleep. And I'm a side sleeper, so I want my head more up here than just down on the bed. Well, if it compresses down on you at a later time, you can add the fill, or like I've got all the fill in here. If this compresses down, all you got to do is just refluff it, right? It's very easy to refluff and kind of bring back to life. Yeah, that fill in there is very resilient. So there you go. That's a standard size pillow. It's got all that tech in there, and they did a really good job with this. So I'm happy with it. I'm really picky when it comes to pillows, so I'll be using this one on a regular basis. Definitely pick it up and check it out. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.